Unlock the power of 7 superfruits for diabetes. Transform your health today. What if you could take back control of your health, bite by bite, and feel secure knowing every delicious choice is fighting diabetes for you? Imagine savoring a sweet, juicy fruit, not just as a treat, but as a powerful ally in your journey to stability and strength. Hi, I'm a veteran physician with over 30 years of experience in human health, and today, I'm revealing 7 superstar fruits that can transform your diabetes management. These aren't ordinary picks. They're nature's hidden gems, loaded with nutrients to steady your blood sugar, supercharge your energy, and shield your heart. Sound too good to be true? It's not, and I'm here to prove it. By the end of this video, you'll unlock a life-changing guide to smart, tasty fruit choices that put you in the driver's seat of your health. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Your future self will thank you. The science behind fruit and diabetes. Not all fruits are created equal, especially when you're managing diabetes. As a doctor, I've seen patients struggle with the misconception that all fruit is off limits. That's simply not true. Some fruits can send your blood sugar soaring, while others work like quiet heroes, keeping it steady. Why? It's all about the glycemic index, or GI, fiber content, and bioactive compounds. Low GI fruits release sugar slowly, avoiding those dreaded spikes, while fiber acts like a traffic cop, slowing sugar absorption. Add in antioxidants and minerals, and you've got a recipe for better health. Today, we're exploring 7 fruits that check all these boxes. Ready to meet them. 1. Apples, the everyday champion. First up, the humble apple. Don't let its simplicity fool you. This fruit is a powerhouse for diabetes management. Apples are loaded with pectin, a soluble fiber that slows sugar absorption, keeping your blood glucose steady. Their low GI, around 36, means they're a safe, naturally sweet treat. But here's where it gets exciting. Apples also support your heart, a critical concern for diabetics. The fiber lowers LDL cholesterol, while antioxidants like quercetin fight inflammation, a silent troublemaker in diabetes. In my practice, I've seen patients transform their routines with apples. One patient, a busy mom, swapped sugary snacks for an apple with peanut butter. Her energy soared and her A1C dropped. Try it yourself. Slice an apple, add a tablespoon of almond butter, or bake it with cinnamon for a cozy low-calorie dessert. Skip the juice though. Whole apples keep the fiber intact. Trust me, this fruit earns its spot in your kitchen. Fun fact, apples have been a staple in my family for decades. My grandmother, a diabetic, swore by them. She'd say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and the sugar spikes too. She wasn't wrong, science backs her up. Their versatility is unmatched, and they're affordable year-round. Ever tried apple slices in a spinach salad with walnuts? It's a game changer. 2. Pears, the unsung hero. Next, let's talk pears. Juicy, delicious, and criminally underrated. Pears pack a fiber punch that slows digestion, ensuring glucose trickles into your bloodstream steadily. With a GI of about 38, they're a diabetes-friendly gem. But their magic doesn't stop there. Pears are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, a must for diabetics at risk of heart issues, and vitamin C, boosting immunity and skin health. Incorporate pears effortlessly. Snack on them fresh, toss slices into oatmeal, or bake them with a sprinkle of nutmeg for a warm treat. Pair them with walnuts for a balanced snack that keeps you full. Over my career, I've recommended pears to countless patients, and the feedback is always the same. Doc, I feel energized, not sluggish. Choose firm pears and ripen them at home for peak flavor. They're a tasty step toward better control. I once had a patient, a truck driver named Tom, who struggled with snacking on the road. I suggested pears, portable, mess-free, and satisfying. 3 months later, he reported stable sugars and a 10-pound weight loss. That's the power of small, smart choices. 3. Cherries, tiny but mighty. Now, cherries, small in size, massive in impact. These ruby red beauties are bursting with anthocyanins, compounds that boost insulin sensitivity and tame inflammation. 2 huge wins for diabetes. Their GI is a low 22, making them a guilt-free indulgence. Studies even hint that cherries may lower type 2 diabetes risk by supporting glucose regulation. Plus, They protect against complications like nerve damage and heart disease. Enjoy cherries fresh in summer, or freeze them for a cool treat. Add them to whole grain pancakes, or roast them with chicken for a sweet savory twist. Avoid syrupy canned versions. Stick to unsweetened options. Darker cherries, like Bing, pack the most punch. I've prescribed cherries to patients with chronic inflammation, and the results? Less joint pain and better sugars. They're a delicious ally. Picture this: a warm summer evening, a bowl of cherries, and a square of dark chocolate. It's indulgent, diabetes-friendly, and pure bliss. Cherries remind me of nature's candy, proof you don't need processed sweets to satisfy cravings. 4. Peaches, summer's sweet secret. Peaches aren't just a juicy delight. They're a diabetes ally. Loaded with phenolic compounds, they enhance insulin sensitivity, while their low GI, around 42, keeps blood sugar in check. The fiber slows sugar absorption, and potassium supports heart health. Fresh peaches are perfect as a snack, blended into smoothies with almond milk, or sliced into water with mint for a hydrating twist. I've seen peaches work wonders for patients craving sweets. A teacher replaced candy with peaches and saw her fasting glucose drop. Opt for firm, fragrant peaches. Skip sugary, dried versions. Frozen peaches are great off-season. Just ensure no added sweeteners. Their vibrant flavor makes diabetes management feel like a treat, not a chore. In my 20s, I worked in a rural clinic where peaches grew everywhere. Patients brought them in by the basketful, and I'd share recipes, like grilled peaches with yogurt. It's a reminder, health can be simple and delicious. 5. Plums, the flavorful fighter. Plums bring tangy sweetness and serious benefits. Their low GI and fiber content stabilize blood sugar, while prebiotics support gut health, a key player in diabetes care. Plums curb cravings without compromise. Dice them into oatmeal, roast them with veggies, or blend them into a refreshing agua fresca. For dessert, try a plum compote over chia pudding. A patient once told me plums saved her from vending machine temptations. Her sugars stabilized, and she felt in control. Choose firm, vibrant plums, or grab unsweetened frozen ones. With antioxidants and versatility, plums are a flavorful win for your health. Plums take me back to my residency days, snacking between shifts. They're like nature's multivitamin, sweet, tart, and packed with goodness. Ever tried them in a salsa with cilantro? Unexpectedly divine. 6. Kiwi, the green powerhouse. Kiwi's tangy sweetness hides a diabetes-friendly secret. With a GI of 50, its fiber slows sugar absorption, preventing spikes. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress, protecting your heart and vessels. Add kiwi to Greek yogurt, blend it into smoothies, or make a salsa with tomatoes and lime. Firm, slightly soft kiwis are ideal. Avoid mushy ones. I've recommended kiwi to patients with fatigue, and they report sharper focus and steadier energy. It's a small fruit with big rewards, proof you don't need complex fixes for better health. Kiwi was a staple in my med school dorm. Cheap, tasty, and energizing. It's still my go-to when I need a quick boost. Patients love its zing. It wakes up their palate and their health. 7. Grapes, the moderation master. Finally, grapes, sweet, nutrient-dense, and diabetes-friendly in moderation. Resveratrol boosts insulin sensitivity and fights inflammation, while fiber slows sugar absorption. Their GI is higher, around 59, so portion control is key. A small handful works wonders. Pair them with nuts or cheese to balance sugars, freeze grapes for a cool treat, or toss them into salads. I've seen patients use grapes to curb soda cravings. Simple, effective, and delicious. Their antioxidants protect against complications, making them a smart addition. Grapes remind me of vineyard visits with my kids, picking them fresh, laughing, and learning moderation. They're a lesson in balance. Enjoy, but don't overdo it. There you go, 7 incredible fruits to redefine your diabetes journey. Apples, pears, cherries, peaches, plums, kiwi, and grapes. These aren't just delicious bites. They're your allies in balancing blood sugar, safeguarding your heart, and reigniting your energy. Picture this: apples slowing, sugar spikes, cherries fighting inflammation, and grapes boosting vitality, all working together to empower you. As a seasoned doctor, here's my heartfelt advice. Team up with your healthcare crew. Regularly check your levels, fine-tune your meals, and tune into your body's signals. This isn't just about coping with diabetes, it's about thriving beyond it, taking charge of your health with every choice. Feeling inspired? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop your favorite fruit in the comments. I'm dying to know what fuels you. These 7 gems are proof that nature offers solutions wrapped in flavor. Keep exploring, keep owning your wellness, and let's meet again in the next video. Your journey to mastery starts here. Embrace it. Key takeaways. 1. Choose low GI fruits. Opt for apples, pears, and cherries to avoid spikes. 2. Fiber is your friend. It slows sugar absorption. Think plums and kiwi. 3. Antioxidants. Matter, cherries, grapes, and peaches fight inflammation. 4. Moderation. Wins, enjoy grapes wisely with protein or fats. 5. Get creative. Bake, blend, or pair fruits for variety and balance. 6. Team up. Work with your doctor for personalized success. Take these lessons, apply them, and watch your health soar. Thanks for watching.